Good morning, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another Jacob Crypto Bury video. Today we're going to look at Phantom because it is popping and it's getting ready to catapult by the looks of things. It looks like it's in another downtrend which is about to reverse into a nice bullish uptrend. But let's have a look at what's going to happen. As we can see, the market is just flashing green at the moment. Everything looks super bullish. ADA has done really well back into that $1 territory. And yeah, everything else, layer 1, AVE, so many layer 2 projects are just looking fantastic. If you're new here, guys, as well, make sure you smash the subscribe button, leave a like as well, and say hello down in the comments. So Phantom is trading at $1.33 at the moment. We can see, we're still getting a lot of new unique holders. I mean, just from the start of the month, well, actually, literally 2 weeks ago, we're up 1,300. Holders right there. So if you were to look over the year, you'd be looking at nearly doubling the amount of unique holders in the next year. That's what you could speculate right there. And that's quite a significant amount, really. We can see here on the holder side of things, of course, we've got those Binance exchanges. We've got the Phantom Bridge right there, which is really good. That's what you want to see. And then we have a lot of mystery wallets. So there's not a significant amount of whales. There's quite a few exchanges, but it's good to see that the whale dominance is not absolutely huge for this project, which does also make me find an appeal into holding some more of this particular cryptocurrency. So here's the Fear and Greed Index today. We're sitting at 40. We're getting reminders of those euphoric sirens, as they sort of lure us in and tempt us to start loading up on more crypto. Well, it's still certainly a good time to potentially buy some cryptocurrency, guys. I mean, it's still an undervaluation reaccumulation zone. I'll leave some links down in the comments for you to potentially buy some if you wish. And yeah, this is Phantom. So great network, fast scalable next gen layer 1 infrastructure platform, 410k followers here. And we can see, from the last year, they're up 600% in TVL. I mean, if we bring up DeFi Llama very quickly and just hop into that Phantom, we can see right here the TVL. So TVL has come from 15 billion down to 8 billion, but it's still a very modest and strong amount. We've got a lot locked in. As you see, TVL locked in on Geist Finance. We've got Spooky Swap as well, decentralized exchange, many other automated market makers where people are getting yield and staking their Phantom, obviously to get some nice rewards. So it's really looking bullish, and I think totally excited to see what's going to happen. If we click onto this news article, we've got 22 reasons to be excited about Phantom, which is going to come out quite soon, and I think this is it. So more than 2.5 million unique addresses, Phantom exceeding Ethereum on daily transactions, more than 200 native dApps and growing. Phantom DeFi protocols alone hold almost 7 billion in TVL. We just looked at that. That was actually about 8 billion. Not sure why we got a different number. 4,677 verified contracts were deployed last month. Phantom gigantic growth in 2021. Phantom price achieved a huge 14,000% increase. That's true. That is absolutely incredible. Lots of layer 1s did that. Phantom is the most eco-friendly blockchain in the world. FTM official sponsor of F1. I am sure I saw that recently. I actually remember seeing that. I looked at someone's helmet, I'm sure, and I saw a crypto logo or something there. That was crazy. Trending topics. It trends in social analytics. Very important. I mean, there's so many reasons. We can just read on and on and on. Phantom is an extremely good project, guys. That's what I want to tell you today. So if we have a look at Phantom, we see we're trading at $1.33, rank 43 at the moment, with a 3.3 billion market cap and just over 10% 24-hour trading volume. We zoom out. We did have an all-time high of $3.29, and we are back down to that $1 territory. We had a lot of FUD, but it's just another emotional cycle, another emotional wave, like this area here where we get the distribution down, then an impulse. So is it time to speculate an impulse? Well, let's take a little look at what's going on for Phantom's price at the moment. What I can see is that we're back down to this $1.35, and this is where I like to think it's a strong reaccumulation zone. The reason I like to write out these accumulation zones is because I did it recently for Cardano, and what happened is when I bought some down here at 0.86, we got a nice reversal to the upside, and we're already at $1.13. So this was quite a good accumulation zone. So I've done the same with Phantom, sorry guys. Even though we got this double top position, we lost the neckline, but we haven't really lost too much support. We bounced off of the 0.16 at $1.16. We lost that support. And that was a bad thing, but then we came back through and we're bouncing now. We're getting that really big bounce all the way down here from $1.04, targeting the next resistance at $1.37. On the daily time frame, we've come back above the 20-day moving average, which could signify the beginning of an uptrend, especially if we can put through a higher low when we come back down at some point, if it does happen. Now what I'm seeing on the relative strength index on the daily is that we've got this kind of descending triangle pattern, so we could sort of speculate that maybe we're going to come to the top of this channel, which could be a good time to potentially accumulate some phantom now prior or ready to sell at these potential levels, or even hold for longer into upcoming cycles. So I do think phantom's got so much steam in it and so much potential. If we do get this impulse, just like we did back in September 21, December 21, if we get the impulse today or in the next few weeks or in April from March 22, it's going to very much reflect what's happening. So we've got two key points of data to rely on. We've got this big data point, got this data point, and now we've got the third data point. I am bullish, guys. I'm so bullish, because I think Phantom can pull it off. I think Phantom can pull this off. And I'm going to assume that the impulse will diminish in the sense that, okay, we're getting a 105% increase here. So maybe from this point, we're only going to get a 97% increase, or maybe even something less. Let's check that again. I think that's incorrect. So we had 190%. My bad, guys. So let's assume it was a 176%. That makes much more sense. Then we're getting this big double bottom. Could that become a bullish reversal pattern? You know, only time can tell, but these are things we can speculate and get excited about for Phantom and these great projects. So plan A is we do get that big impulse to $2.87. Plan B is, of course, the bearish scenario, we lose support at $1.19 and we come retest these lower support levels, such as the 0.94 and the 0.88 level. I think Phantom is just ready to boom, if I'm honest, and there's nothing that will stop it. You look 10 years ahead, hyper bullish, and zoom out, it's going to look exactly the same as when you're looking at this lull phase, or as when you're looking at the impulse into the retracement. That's what can potentially happen. If we look at some of the big price targets for Phantom over the next years, well, here you can see we've got my price targets. So we've got $4.50, $4.17, $4.97 as well. All big price targets for the next bull run in 2024, 2025. But who knows what this current cycle could surprise us with. We could still witness these huge impulses to $5. This is crypto. This is the craziest market in the entire world, the fastest growing market in the entire world. It's going to take over gold. It's going to do everything to take over the entire world. It's absolutely life-changing, the opportunities that we have with cryptocurrency, and yeah, it's absolutely amazing. So that's about a wrap with the Phantom, guys. I do just want to show you the total market cap video. Let me just quickly show you my total market cap as well. So this is what's happening with the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin at the moment. You can see the 2017 cycle here on the left. We were very much in a descending triangle into the bear market. Now we're at $1.1 trillion, excluding Bitcoin. And I think, you know, when we're in this green territory, every time so far, it showed us a good time to potentially accumulate. And the red zone is when you can start selling in tranches, start peeling off some profits. You know, dollar cost average selling, and on the way down, your dollar cost average buying, getting ready for the next impulse. So it could potentially happen, guys, that maybe we're going to see a good run up to $2 trillion, excluding Bitcoin. But, you know, let's wait and just see what time will give us. I think this is a good indicator that we keep bouncing off of this particular level. And you can see that on the monthly time frame, which looks a bit ugly, I'll be honest. But you can see here, two huge monthly candles with lots of buying pressure at this particular 1 billion support on the total market cap. So that's a really bullish indicator as well, guys. So lots to be bullish about. If you want to grab some of your Phantom, you can find down a link below. And if you want to also hop into the Discord channels, do say hello, guys. We've got like 170 people in here. We're all just talking about different projects, DeFi, trading, yield farming, play to earn. So come say hello down in the Discord. It's completely free to join. And also I just want to give a little shout out to the Crypto Calls guys, because they've been making some fantastic trade signals at the moment. Really good algorithmic long and short positions. So yeah, you can see here a bit of success stories from what they've been doing. Lots of profits on these long positions on these very well-known, you know, trading pairs. So that's about a wrap, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll see you soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and bye for now.